If you're interested in Capcut tutorial, this video is made for you. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.
Your smile keeps playing, you're miles away, yeah. I would go overseas just like that. Don't overthink it, why can't you stay here?
Are you ready? Let's go to learn it. Go to Effects and select HDR. Set it for all of the video. And then go to the video effects and from the nature section select story. Then I select dreamy glow. After that, insane glow from the training part. The next effect, Astro. And the next one is blink from the lens section. Select color flicker. And the last effect you should choose is sunset floor from light effect. The second clip you should rotate it from edit and rotate section. Now you should choose translation between two every clips. The first translation is black fade. The second translation is white flash. I don't choose any translation for the third clip, and for the fourth clip I choose pull out, and the last translation I choose blurred light. If you like more tutorials like this, subscribe to my channel and like and share this.